AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against the US dollar, and you can also use this analysis for nzdusd as well, because I do not record separate videos for nzdusd. So just in case if you trade nzdusd, use the same analysis. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. So it says join free Telegram channel. So go and join Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then check out the brokers and prop firm here. So sign up with these brokers, open a separate account, and then trade with my signals in that separate account using these brokers. So subscribe, like, share, and coming back to the chart here, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. So weekly we had been in the uptrend, and it's quite evident that we'll continue the uptrend with this long hammer. Okay. So this last week, which has just ended on maybe 5th, 7th plus 5, 12th of July, okay? So this is week which has just ended yesterday. This is a hammer, which means that coming week should be in the strong uptrend as well, okay? So we are looking for longs in that case. Now coming back to daily chart, in daily we have made a new high. So yes, this high is broken by this blue candle, so we have to enter long after the pullback in daily. Okay, so we're looking for longs after the pullback in daily, but let's go back to 4 hour for our exact entries. So we don't have an entry signal as of now. New highs created. You can see all these previous highs are broken. If you don't visibly can see, then put the line here. And you can see this candle has broken the previous high. Okay, clear? Now we are going to take a long position only after the pullback. So this is the uptrend. This is your uptrend. Pullback still not happened because on Friday the market was consolidating. Okay, so we still have to go down, maybe touch the EMA and then reject the EMA and then wait for the blue confirmation candle and then you go long. Okay, so weekly we have a hammer, which means coming week should go in the uptrend for AUDUSD, and same as for nzdusd. Okay, so in 4 hour look for longs after the rejection from the EMA and then blue candle. So if you like what you see, it's too much information for free, because normally people tell you in their YouTube videos that it's an uptrend look for longs only. Nobody tells you what I just told you. Like, for example, you wait for the rejection and then confirmation. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, so it's pretty easy for me as well to say, okay, trend is up, look for longs after the pullback, trend is down, look for shorts after the pullback. But if you like what you see, then subscribe, like, share, join the brokers and join Telegram, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.